Welcome to my channel, Associates Arun Kumar at Exam Guru. Assertion Reason questions on biology. Each question has an assertion A and a reason R. Choose one option. Option A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is true, R is false. Option D, A is false, R is true. Question 1. Assertion. Clayton proposed that plants are composed of cells. Reason. Rudolf Virchow proposed omnis cellula e cellula. Answer B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of A. Virchow gave omnis cellula e cellula means every cell stems from another cell and it has no relation with Schwann's idea. Question 2. Assertion. Prokaryotic cells lack a well-defined nucleus. Reason. Their genetic material is organized within a membrane-bound nucleate. Answer C. Assertion is true. Reason is false. Prokaryotes have a nucleate, but it is not membrane-bound. Question 3. Assertion. Centrioles are absent in higher plant cells. Reason. They play a role in spindle formation. Answer A. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Centrioles are microtubule organizing centers that play a role in mitotic spindle formation in animal cells, but they are absent in higher plant cells. And higher plants organize their mitotic spindles using the other microtubule organizing centers, allowing cell divisions not to proceed normally without centrioles. Question 4. Assertion. Ciliary muscles help in accommodation of lens. Reason. Relaxation of ciliary muscles make the lens more convex. Answer C. Assertion is true. Reason is false. Relaxation makes lens flatter or less convex and not more convex. Question 5. Daltonism is a type of color blindness. Reason. It is caused due to absence of rods in retina. Answer C. Assertion is true. Reason is false. Daltonism is due to defective cones in retina, not rods. Question 6. Assertion. Myopia can be corrected using a concave lens. Reason. In myopia, the image is formed behind the retina. Right answer C. Assertion is true. Reason is false. In myopia, image forms in front of retina, not behind. A concave lens brings the image towards the retina. Question 7. Assertion. Otolaryngology is the study of ear, nose, and throat. Reason. Otology is the branch concerned only with eye diseases. Answer C. Assertion is true. Reason is false. Otology is the study of ear, not eyes. Question 8. Assertion. Dendrites are throat processes of neuron. Reason. They conduct impulses away from cell body. Answer C. Assertion is true. Reason is false. Dendrites carry impulses towards the cell body, not away. Question 9. Assertion. Vasopressin ADH deficiency causes diabetes insipidus. Reason. Vasopressin increases water reabsorption in kidneys. Answer A. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. ADH increases water reabsorption in the kidneys, leading to reduced urine production and helping to maintain the body's water balance and blood pressure. Diabetes insipidus is a condition characterized by excessive thirst and urination. Question 10. Assertion. Aorta is the largest artery of human body. Reason. It carries deoxygenated blood from left ventricle. Right answer C. Assertion is true. Reason is false. Aorta carries oxygenated blood from left ventricle to the rest of the body, not deoxygenated. Question 11. Assertion. WBCs provide defense against pathogens. Reason. They are of two types, granulocytes and agranulocytes. Answer B. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Granulocytes, which have granules in the cytoplasm like neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils, and agranulocytes, which lack these granules, include lymphocytes and monocytes. Question 12. Assertion. ABO blood groups are based on antigens on RBCs. Reason. O group individuals have both A and B antigens. Answer C. Assertion is true. Reason is false. O group has no antigens, only antibodies. Question 13. Assertion. Lipase form helps in fat digestion. Reason. Bile salts emulsify fats. Right answer option A. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Lipase is the fat digesting enzyme that breaks fats into fatty acids and glycerol, while bile salts function is to emulsify large fat globules into smaller droplets, increasing the surface area for the lipase to act on. Question 14. Assertion. Anaerobic respiration produces lactic acid in muscles. Reason. It occurs in absence of oxygen. Right answer option A. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Anaerobic respiration in human muscles produces lactic acid, especially during intense exercise when oxygen is limited, leading to temporary muscle fatigue and soreness. Question 15. Assertion pineal gland, also known as the biological clock, secretes melatonin which regulates sleep-wake cycle. Reason: melatonin secretion is maximum during bright daylight. Right answer is option C. Assertion is true. Reason is false. Melatonin secretion is maximum during night. Question 16. Assertion: starch is the stored form of carbohydrate in animals and plants. Reason: glycogen is the stored form of carbohydrate in animals. Right answer option D. Assertion is false. Reason is true. Plants store starch and animals store glycogen. Question 17. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin. Reason: its deficiency causes scurvy. Right answer option C. Assertion is true. Reason is false. Vitamin D deficiency causes rickets or osteomalacia, not scurvy. Scurvy is due to vitamin C deficiency. Water-soluble vitamins like C and B vitamins dissolved in water are not stored in the body and are quickly eliminated through urine recurring regular intake. Question 18. Assertion: vitamin E deficiency leads to hemolysis of red blood cells. Reason: it acts as a powerful antioxidant. Right answer option A. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Question 19. Assertion: genetic disorders such as cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, hemophilia, phenylketonuria, thalassemia, Huntington's disease, and color blindness are all caused by specific mutations in nuclear genes. Reason: all genetic disorders are inherited in an autosomal dominant manner. Right answer option C. Assertion is true. Reason is false. Genetic disorders can be inherited in autosomal dominant, autosomal recessive or X-linked patterns. Question 20. Assertion: gibberellins are used to increase sugar content in sugar canes. Reason: they induce stem elongation and seed germination. Right answer option A. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Spraying sugarcane with gibberellins stimulates internodal elongation, which increases the overall size of the sugarcane stalk and therefore the amount of sugar stored within it. So thank you, and join my Telegram channel for 216